Inside every one of us are trillions of living units, cells, each a microscopic universe of its own.
Think of the cell as a miniature city. Energy is produced, materials are transported, and everything is coordinated with astonishing precision. At the center lies the nucleus, holding DNA, the blueprint of life. Every instruction for building cells are never silent. They constantly talk to each other. Signals travel to the surface. Receptors light up as messages arrive. Mitochondria are tiny power stations, converting food into the energy every process in the cell requires.
Ribosomes act like factories. They read the genetic code and assemble proteins.
Some cells protect us. White blood cells patrol like guardians. They detect invaders and keep the body safe from harm. Each cell is tiny, yet together they form tissues, organs, and ultimately you.